Hi, this is Delta Victorious. I'm here to read another poem from my book, Convolutian Juxtapositions. But first, check out my GoFundMe project. Publish me and keep creativity. 2411, January 27, 2018. Dirty slime. Dirty slime. Dirty slime is filling my life like a can of speckled granite with a pull-off pop top, like a legion of littered gullywog flies that burn my skin and corrupt my sad eyes, a diffident, magnificent, pilloried existence, a painful dread in my bullet-riddled head. The pounding inside of my mind's eye is absorbing the graft of Saharan giraffes that crumble and fragment like twirling hammocks. The algae is whirling again. Drain the swamp. I'm falling down swiftly in a narrow, wide pipe. The summer crows keep calling, applauding my inability to regain purchase on this melodic, chaotic life. Thin red lines of the clotting kind are morphing, changing, rearranging my saturnine dark soul, fleeing the oppressive necessities that are constantly driving me crazy. I am bone to the bad, not bad to the bone. I'm wicked and foolish and always alone. This seemingly long tunnel with no escape, full of this maudlin, mysterious heartache, followed by the overthrowing of devoted supplications, a no-nonsense game I play with my mind while I whistle into the withering night of backward, nihilistic, contradictory, rough hand lands.
I begin to understand.
And that was poem number 2411, January 27, 2018, Dirty Slime. And now, check out my GoFundMe project. Publish me and keep creativity. This is Delta Victorious, the unsung poet. I thank you.